I've been in a car accident where I had a right epidural hematoma evacuation. So that whiplash and stuff, I can feel all this pressure where they had the surgery. And here, when there's inflammation, I'm not having that. My mood, my energy, all of it shot up like crazy. And I've not had that. I mean, it was kind of weird when I first got RA, and then I tried to convince the doctor that, hey, look, this is weird. I ate a muffin in the morning, and as I'm eating it, I watched this joint right here turn red, get hot, and swell up immediately. And he told me, oh, no, it's nothing. Basically, what he told me was, in 5 years, I'm going to be disabled. And I'm like, no, I can't take that. So for over 10 years, I've been searching for an answer, and here we go. And I totally cut out sugars and bread and all of that stuff. But it was a temporary relief with no healing. And that was the issue, because there was no healing. This is changing it, which I'm losing weight too, and my tummy's flat.
Very good.
So, yes, I'm super happy about that. And even my face is cleared up, because I'll get acne right in through here. And so that's really a great thing too. But this, I can feel the healing. It's so fascinating just from a scientific portion, being in healthcare and stuff. Take a look at this. Nothing's working for you. Take a look at this. I'm telling you, I'm going to be doing this. I've seen all these videos. And it just feels right to me. And I'm happy I made the step, and I hope they do too. I don't care about the referral. I just care that they find their life back, and just do a consultation. It's free. Go take a look and see. I'm telling you, this is what you need to do. It's working for me, and the science is behind it, and that's just, to me, just because science is so fascinating, and it's so it's exciting. And that's something that I lost there for a while, because, when you're depressed or dealing with inflammation, it just drags you down. And now I'm back to wow, we're back into it's life. I can live it. So I thank you so much for doing what you're doing. Thank you.
You're welcome, Debra. It's a pleasure seeing you heal, and that's what motivates us to keep going and continue doing this work, so that way we can help more people and they get better, and then they no longer need us. That's a goal, is for you to heal